for a 700 R4 transmission. And as you can see, I have a diagram out here outlaying how it should be wired. Now, I would not be using this vacuum switch because I have a cam in my engine and my vacuum is erratic. So I'm going to bypass that. I'm going to use this pressure plug here, wire it up and everything, and it goes on the 4th gear pressure port. So let me show you that. I have put a switch in the truck so that I can control the lockup. If I'm towing something, then I don't want it to lock up. So I have put a toggle switch here in my dash. This is a toggle switch, just a regular toggle switch. And for safety purposes, you see it's marked on and off. Safety purposes, I have a fusible link in it, a push-in fuse in it as a safety switch. So if the circuit overloads, it'll blow that fuse. Now, you got it on, and I have it already wired up out here. This is the line that goes down to the this line here goes down to the the transmission. Here is my test light to make sure I'm getting voltage out to that circuit. As you can see, the test light is lit up, so I'm getting voltage out to that circuit. This is the other part of the line here that goes down to the transmission. Here's the plug wired up into the transmission, so you can see it, what it looks like wired up. That is the switch wired up right there. It's nothing but a normally open all pressure switch that closes about 42 psi. So that switch is wired in. You got one part of the switch that goes. You have one part of the switch that goes over to the other side of the transmission that goes to that solenoid, and that's all you have it. And the reason why you want to switch in there, it's like I say, is when you're towing, you want to be able to control the transmission locking up or whatever. So that's part 2 of it. Let me get it finished up, get everything buttoned up and zip tied up, and then we'll drive the vehicle and see just what it does. As always, I know it's been a while since I posted, but I've had quite a few other projects going on, and this is just something that I needed to do. So have a great day. I'll get at you on the next one. The next thing we'll be doing is we're going to be pulling that 6L80 out of there and going through it. I'll put a billet convert in it. Is I've been having them, it drives and everything, but I'm having a problem with lockup, and I'm more than sure that that pump is going out in it or gone out in it from the converter going bad. I'll give you a full detailed bill of that as it progresses along. Remember, always get out there and do something. If you don't do something, it can't get done. Have a great day. I'll get at you on the next one.